la 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 la.
Once upon a time, there was a special convention which was held in Etihad International Town at Dubai, where there was a famous French artist named Cécile Somoir told a speech about her lifestyle and profession and then ends up saying, "Never give up on following your dreams." Later, she began to draw a beautiful picture which was about a group of flourishing flowers and was appreciated by the audience and was awarded as the best artist. Cecilia couldn't be proud to herself on how she managed to create mistakes on drawing a picture. Few hours later, one of Cecilia's fans in Dubai traveled with her in a limo and went to the hotel and booked her a room there where she could stay in. As they went into the room, it seemed so luxurious which would be a comfortable place to stay. Before her fan leaves, she gave her signature as he requested her to sign in his autograph book and then left the place. Cecilia thought in her mind that the day was the happiest moment in her life. The next day at the morning when the knocks on the door appears, Cecilia woke up, opened the door and saw outside. It was the Pakistani rogue bashed her up on the head with a metal pipe, made her faint and carried her away. 30 minutes later at the abandoned mansion, she woke up again, blinked and saw that she was caught firmly where her neck was blocked with woods in the guillotine. The Pakistani rogue stood up to her and asked mean questions. "How dare you came here to spoil the imitation of our country?" Cecilia was confused and said, "What do you mean? How can I become spoiled to ruin the imitation and reputation of the country? I'm just innocent to show who I am." "Really? Then why did you receive cash from Etihad's, huh?" "Cash? I didn't receive any cash from there. I was just awarded as a best content maker. That's it. Why would you accuse me for any circumstance? Look, I need the 1 million cash immediately." The rogue showed the knife in his hand, threatening his placing it on the knot in the guillotine. "If you don't tell me where the cash is, I'll make you rot to hell." Cecilia began to weep, thinking that she doesn't want to die, and said, "To be honest, I just came to introduce myself to the audience, not to show off being cruel. Remember, you should know what someone is going through." The rogue did not accept what Cecilia said. Instead, he gnawed at her, cut the blade of the knot, and ends up beheading her. The next day, there were four children were playing hide and seek behind the abandoned mansion. One of them went to hide in a room where the guillotine leads. As he stood up to find the other two boys, he saw his feet filled with blood and began to panic, thought that it came from him, and saw where the blood came from. He saw Cecilia's head and body and screamed and ran back home to inform his parents about the circumstance at the mansion. The parents were devastated when they heard this, informed the police immediately, and advised the child not to go there until the investigation is over. Few hours later, both the police and the forensic department arrived to the spot where Cecilia was murdered, collected evidences, carried the victim's body covered, and left the place until people are not allowed to enter the spot. 3 weeks later, after the analysis of the evidences and autopsy of the victim's body which are found against the rogue, the police officers traveled to places to find the face of the rogue. As they gathered to the bar and found the rogue consuming drugs, they caught him and tried to put him behind bars. He made a way to escape by pushing them and ran away till the traffic leads, while the officers began to run towards him. The cops didn't have a choice to accomplish the arrest. One of the officers who was towards the rogue has a gun worn on his waist, took it on his hand, reloaded it, and encountered him by shooting him on the leg till he fell down. Without providing medication, the officer caught him, put him behind bars, and called the other officers to bring the vehicle and took him away. This is the original story from the Regal Story Express. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.